welcome to the channel. In this video guys, as I have just shown you the error and I'm using my headphone here. When I try to use my laptop speaker, that is not working and it says that no audio driver is installed on your system. So in this video I'm going to guide you how you can fix this issue step by step. So let's start without wasting our time. First of all, you need to open the Windows services here and make sure the Windows audio services are running here. Run it as administrator. Press anywhere on it. Press W on your keyboard and look for Windows audio service. Look for Windows audio service here. It should be in a this option and double click on that. Set starter tab to automatic. If then click on apply and then click on OK and see if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you, just open the control panel here. As you can see here, it has came back. Just open the sound setting here and make sure it is not disabled. If it is disabled like this, right click it and simply enable it. And once you enable it, see if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you, simply open the device manager, choose here the category wise and then select here large icons. Look for the device manager here and click on your system hostname on the top. Go to action and scan for hardware changes, and this will retrieve again all the audio drivers on your system and it will instantly fix your issue. You should able to get it back here. Otherwise, what you can do is you can expand the audio icons here one by one and update the audio driver here. Sound options, and here is audio driver, update, browse and look for the latest driver and then click on next and simply install the driver on your system. So this is the step number 3. If this is not working, so what you can do is, we have already checked the services are running on your system, so there is no need to worry about this. We have also checked the device manager and that is showing up here. But what if that is still not showing up here on your system? That we can manually install the audio driver from the official source. Open any browser whichever you use, and basically we are looking for the audio driver according to our system. So open your system information simply by searching here system information. We are gathering the information of the system model number, and you can get this command to get the serial number: wmi BIOS get space serial number. Copy and paste this serial number from your system. If you are getting any errors, install the wmi or use the system model number here and look for your manufacturer driver. In my case, I'm using Dell laptop, that is the reason it is showing up here. Simply copy and paste the serial number here. If serial number is anyhow not visible to you, then you can look for your model number here. And once you see your model number here, look for the driver which says manual, and now from this drop down menu select for the audio driver. Most of the cases it should be Realtek high definition audio. Simply download this driver. Look for the latest driver which is recommended by the manufacturer website. If somehow you are not able to get it on the top, you can even search it. Just type here audio, press enter, and audio related icon you should able to, audio related driver you should able to get on your system. And once you see it, I'm pretty sure once you install this driver onto your computer, the issue should be fixed by installing this driver. Since you are using the manufacturer driver on your system, if manufacturer driver you are using any custom motherboard and like that, just go for the custom model manufacturer website and simply installation will be same on your system. Just hit yes option when the prompt opens, install the recommended, click continue, and this is the way to install the driver on your system. It may have to you may have to restart your Windows twice if it is asking for that. Otherwise, one time restart can work and can fix this issue. So if this step is also not working, make sure the window is up to date on your system. Okay, this is the way. Next, next. So go to Windows Update, check for update, and by installing this, the audio driver will be installed itself. So again, it has, after restarting, it is asking again the same steps. As I said, you may have to restart your Windows twice. Similar pop-up is coming up. And as I said, again, just want to restart the system.